Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this smash glass effect in Adobe Photoshop, a really cool visual effect that you can apply to a wide range of imagery and a really simple process for you to follow. So the question would be is how do we do it? And obviously guys, that's why I'm here today to tell you how to do it. Okay, so what I'm now going to do is just take our top group here, select it and press backspace to remove and start off with our original imagery. I have the image of our friend here and the broken glass. Now I'm just going to turn off the broken glass layer for the minute and I need to duplicate this layer of the lady, and the keyboard shortcut that for Mac is Command J, on Windows is Control J. Now to that layer I need to apply a blur, so I'm going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now, obviously you can dictate the radius of how high or how low you want the radius. I'm going to keep it around 40 and let's press OK. Wonderful. Now I'm going to turn back our smash glass layer here and I'm going to change the blending mode to screen. Now you can see our effect really coming to life now. Now to that blurred layer, what I'm now going to do is just apply a layer mask to it. Come back onto our smash glass layer and I need to make a selection of this section in the middle here. So I'm going to use the quick selection tool and come through and create a selection like so. Very easy, as you can see there. And then going back to the layer mask of the blurred layer, I need to fill this with the color black. So right click, fill, make sure that's black and press OK. And now if I deselect, which is Command D on Windows or Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows, there you can see we have the effect. There's one final little step that you need to take, and I would apply a drop shadow to the layer mask layer here, just to add a sense of depth. So just simply double click the layer, and then I'm going to apply a drop shadow. Yes, you can come through and manipulate and everything like so here, but I'm pretty happy with how it's come out. And then I'm going to press OK. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that smash glass effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.